to In-N-Out Burger. I'm gonna give you a food review. Almost there. And we are all there. Guys, we're getting out right here. Okay guys, we can't find anywhere to eat inside In-N-Out Burger, so we're probably gonna eat. Right now we're right here at the table, but if we find somewhere, yeah, my mom's gonna be in there for a while. My dad, I'm gonna be out here burning to death, even though I'm used to it already. But we might actually eat in our car, so yeah, we'll probably eat in the car. Yeah, so I'm right here only. Right here, right next to this. Basically, like, all I have right now is water.
Yeah, like absurd.
But here's my food. Let's try these fries. Wait.
Oh, they got onions on them too. Secret sauce. Do you need salt?
No.
I think I need silverware.
Let's try the burger.
I don't know if they have any, maybe, but.
How is it? Good burger? It's not too bad out for sitting in the sun. Like right here's hotter sun. Oh, cool with that.
We'll just eat fast. Scarf it down.
It's gonna be a
Onions.
I had to go in the car because it's really hot out, so I'm waiting for my parents. Got that good air conditioning, like the windows like open a little, and it was so hot that my shake is warm now. Caption that. So I'm gonna go to On the Arm right now. So yeah guys, that's all for today, and bye, sayonara.